Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making candy cane cookies. They're going to be a nice, delicious, rich chocolate cookie with some crushed up candy canes. They're going to be super quick and super easy. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description, and stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaways. Now go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees and let's get started on these delicious chocolate candy cane cookies. So our first step is to get our chocolate chips nice and melted. So in a measuring cup, go ahead and add in your chocolate chips and your butter. Then go ahead and pop that in your microwave for a good 30 to 45 seconds. Let it get nice and melted. Give it a nice quick whisk so it's nice and smooth, and then set inside so it cools off just a tiny little bit. Then go ahead and grab a mixing bowl, and we're going to start by adding in our eggs and our sugar. Then we're going to mix those together on a nice low speed until they start working together and getting nice and combined. Now once you have a nice egg sugar mixture, we're going to go ahead and start adding in our peppermint extract for that nice minty freshness, and our melted chocolate. And be sure to use a rubber spatula to get all that chocolate goodness right into your cookie batter. Then back in with our hand mixer on a nice medium speed and continue to blend these ingredients together until everything is nice and fully incorporated. You have a nice, smooth mixture. After everything's nice and combined, go ahead and scoot that aside. Grab another mixing bowl for your dry ingredients and start adding in your flour, your cocoa powder, your salt, and your baking soda. And just give that a quick little whisk. Then you want to add that all into your chocolate mixture. Then with your hand mixer on a low speed, you want to gradually incorporate your flour mixture and your chocolate mixture both together until they are just combined. Now for some extra yummy chocolate goodness, we're going to go ahead and add in some chocolate chips. So do one scoop, another scoop, and a third scoop for good measure. And then just fold those chocolate chips into your cookie batter with a rubber spatula until they are fully worked in there. Then go ahead and take some plastic wrap, wrap that up nice and tightly, toss it in the fridge, and let it chill for a good 30 to 45 minutes. So our cookie batter is nice and chilled, it's firmed up a little bit. Now let's take our cookie scoop and our cookie sheet, lined with some parchment paper so there's no sticky bottoms, and start scooping out chocolate cookie dough balls. And you want to leave about 1 inch, 2 inches of space between, because these cookies are going to spread out a tiny wee bit. Now we're going to go ahead and sprinkle on some crushed candy canes onto each dollop of chocolate cookie dough batter. Now just pop your cookie sheet into your oven and let bake for a good 14 to 15 minutes. So our cookies have baked, they're right out of the oven. Now while they're still hot, we're gonna take some more crushed candy canes and sprinkle them right on top. This way, as the cookie's still warm and it starts to cool down a little bit, those candy cane pieces are gonna get nice and soft and chewy, and they're gonna be so good. And just like that, in a couple of easy, quick steps, you have delicious, perfectly rich chocolate cookies with crushed candy canes. And they're gonna, the melted chocolate chips inside are gonna make this cookie so soft and so perfect. And you have that nice, chewy, peppermint crushed candy canes on top. A nice, easy cookie for the holidays when you just need a nice, stress-free dessert. Thank you guys for stopping by. I had so much fun making these chocolate candy cane cookies. If you like holiday cookies, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up. And don't forget to click subscribe and ring the bell so you receive notifications every time I post a new video, so you didn't miss out on any other yummy holiday recipes I have coming up here in the kitchen. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid Stand Mixers to give away, so if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below. Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. And lastly, don't forget, if you make your own chocolate candy cane cookies, or if you're making other holiday yummy desserts, definitely give a tag on Instagram. Let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, that's all I have today. I'm gonna go grab some cookies, grab some coffee, watch some holiday movies, and I will see you all, as always, in the next video very, very soon. Bye!